Hello everyone, my name is Josh and welcome back to episode 7 of Pinsect. Today I'm going to be pinning a Calathus ground beetle. So with all beetles, as always, you put the pin through the right elytron, and this is not to damage any useful diagnostic features that may be in the middle bottom. Not that I end up using it, but it's always good to do that. Make sure you always get the pin in perpendicular to both sides, kind of like what I've done there, because that way it's nice and neat and it looks good. With larger beetles like this, it can be okay to kind of pull on the feet or the legs like that, because they're steady enough that they won't pop off. However, with really small beetles, or just really small insects in general, you don't want to do that, because then you'll have damaged specimen. No one likes damaged specimens. It's good practice to always try and get things looking symmetrical, not really like what I've done here. I filmed this ages ago, so I can't remember if I went back and fixed it. Looks like I'm trying. That's good then. Well done me. There will be a day when my fingers are not in the way of the camera and the polystyrene that I'm pinning on doesn't keep moving about. When that day will be, I do not know. Oh, I just gave up there. That's good. I was trying to get the tarsi out a bit more angled, so their leg doesn't just look like a straight line, and you can actually see each individual segment of the leg, but apparently I didn't want to do that. At some point the right tarsi's come off, which is unfortunate. Don't know where it's gone, so I can't stick it back on. It's very upsetting. One of the main reasons I was putting this is so we could identify it under a microscope using a Carabidae identification guide. However, it doesn't actually fit under the microscope because the pin is too tall, and the microscope's a rubbish £15 one from National Geographic that we bought in the middle of Lidl. So it was like, I don't think it was ever really going to be good. Sorry, Matthew. But he's going to say it wasn't £15, it was £7. That's because it was half price. It was retail £15. Oh, broke it again. So remember when I was saying you can put on the tarsi of kind of largish beetles like this and it'll be fine? Ignore that. As you can see, it was not fine. Really not symmetrical at all. Please tell me I do fix that. Please. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to get the palp. Oh, there's a proper word for it. I'm sure I'll find it in post. There's not that much of the video left. Oh, I didn't make it symmetrical. Ugh. Anyways, this is what it came out like. pretty, average job, I guess. Things I'd change about it, well, for starters, I'd make it symmetrical, and ideally, I wouldn't have pulled off the antennae tarsi. Anyways, hope you enjoyed.